Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great today. It's Thursday, and we are going to get started here with a full body workout, no equipment necessary. And you know we're starting with that warm up. So let's start getting those shoulders rolling back and forth and shrugging up towards the ears and down. Nice. Up towards the ears and down. Beautiful. Just kicking those legs around. We're going to get going into a little march. If you need to get any neck wiggles in there, you can go ahead, lean side to side, nice and gentle forward. Beautiful. Maybe look side to side. And let's raise those knees up. All right, get going with those marches. Hey, I am here with a live crew this morning. How you doing, gals? If you want to join us for a morning workout, get a little more accountability, you can say my words today. Then you can pop over to BritHallFitness.com or exercise2feelgood.com. Those links are down in the description of our replay, and you'll join us live. Sign up there. All right, let's go to some side steps in 3 and 2 and 1, stepping side to side. And of course, you can take it a little further if you want. Get a little lateral arm swing here. Nice. I've got 6 movements for us today in our workout, and I'm going to pair them up in 2s. So we'll have 2, repeat them, 2 more, repeat them, 2 more, repeat them, and on to our stretches. Nice. We're going to hit those leg curls, kicking our heels back to the booty in 3 and 2 and 1. So kick it back. Nice. You can get some pushes to the front if you want. 1 arm at a time or 2. Remember, every workout is yours. Our warm-up is to find out where we are today, what's feeling good, what needs a little bit more moving around to feel good. Nice. Getting that blood pumping, oxygen through to the lungs and out to the muscles. Good. Give me 3 and 2 and 1. Nice. Let's just take some nice arm raises as high as we can. Nice. If that's just right out to the T, that's wonderful. You can go all the way up and hit that eye. Awesome. Bring it back on down. How about 1 more? Beautiful. All right, let's get started with our first movement. Nice. Shake it out. It's going to be a good morning with a front arm raise. So hips are pushing back, looking for that stretch in the hamstring. Just let those arms hang down. And then you're going to squeeze those booty muscles, bring it all the way up. We're sitting 45 seconds on each movement. Nice. Squeeze the booty muscles, bring it up. Remember, this is how we want to be picking items up off the ground. Light items. You don't need to kick them over your head. No, but like you would just lift, use that nice rear end that we have. Nice big muscles back there. Beautiful. We have about 15 seconds left. Nice big raise. Send those shoulders back down into those back pockets. You know I was going to say that. Nice. Beautiful job. 3, 2, and 1. Now paired up with that, it's going to be walkouts. So make yourself sure you have a little bit of room in front. Now if you're not feeling that walkout, that's fine. Just hang out in that. Good morning. You can keep on going with those raises, or you can take it all the way, walk it out into that plank, pause, and bring it back. Nice. If you want to have a little bit more challenge, you can bring those feet closer together, and for a little bit extra stability, take those legs out a little bit further. Nice. So we got about 30 seconds left here, 45 seconds on each movement. You know I like that 45 seconds. Beautiful. Squeeze. Up we go. Push the hips back. Down. Walk it out. Walk it out. Nice. Push it back. Squeeze. We're keeping that belly button into spine. If you're just hanging out in this good morning and squeezing up, that's absolutely cool. Give me 3 and 2 and 1. Now we are all going to be doing those good mornings. So pushing the hips back. Nice big raise. Add it in. Oh, yes. Stretch it up to the sky. Push it back down. Nice. Up, up, up to the sky or to the ceiling. If you're outside, that's cool. Let me know if you're watching this on the replay. I think everybody's inside this morning. I can see. Maybe somebody's on patio. Are you on a patio out there? Okay. Yeah, so I go with somebody outside. Good. That's cool. It is getting kind of warm here. But this is a great time, early morning, to work out. Beautiful. Give me 3. And 2. And 1. We're all done with that one. All right, let's go to those walkouts. Push the hips back. Walk it out. Remember, it's totally fine to hang out just in that good morning. Beautiful. But if you are feeling feisty, I'm going to give you a little option here. When you come on down here, you can add a little shoulder tap in, a little tap and tap, keeping those hips facing to the ground. Beautiful. Squeeze that booty up. Push it back. Take it out. How about we do about 20 more seconds? I'll give you a nice one more walkout or so, or a good morning, or maybe you're just pausing in that plank. Remember, your workout. Add in any progressions or modifications that you might need. Beautiful. Squeeze it up. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All done with that round. Yay. All right, next round. We've got a downward dog with foot pedals. So we're going back down. Beautiful. Taking it down into just a hips up, toes up, and we're going to push each heel down. Nice. Looking good. I'm going to try not to let my necklace get in my mouth. All right, belly button into spine, hips up tall, letting those heads drop right in between the shoulders. I'm peeking at you. See you, gals? Hi. I actually see a lot of booties is what I see. But and that's going on. All right, hi. All right, give me 3, and 2, and 1. Walk it up. Nice. Come on up. And we are going to pair that with some squats. Any kind of squats you want. I'm super easy with that. Make sure those toes are pointed forward or a little bit out. And take it down and up. 45 seconds. Down and up. Beautiful. Pushing those hips back, keeping that chest up. Yes. Oh, you guys are looking so cute. Down and up. Nice. Up. Push it back and up. Looking good. We've got 30 seconds. Nice. And you can hold it down here and pulse if you want. Remember, your workout, you can hold it up here. If you want, you can do a nice sumo squat. Open those knees up a little bit. Ever feels good to you. We're going to hit these twice. So we're going to go down to that downward dog in about 5 seconds. And enjoy some foot pedals in 3, and 2, and 1. Nice. So let's push it back. Let's go down into that downward dog. Hips up. Heel down. Heel down. Good. Looking good. Shoulders up into those back pockets. And head down in between the shoulders. Nice. Belly button into spine. Enjoying that nice stretch through the back leg. Nice breaths out. And belly button in. We got about 20 seconds. You got this. And we're going to hit those squats. And then it's on to our third round. Give me 3, and 2, and 1. Walk it up. Bring it on up however you like. Lots of different ways to get there. Body weight squats. 3, 2, and 1. Take it down. Looking good. So just 40 seconds left here. Nice. And then we're all done with 2 rounds. 1 more round left. I want you looking straight ahead. So you look at me or wherever you're looking. Love it. Just, we don't want our heads turned the way I do. It's the classic, do as I say, not as I do. I have popped out every once in a while when I'm doing coaching. All right, gals, looking good. Almost there. 10 seconds, sound good? How about a hold? Oh my goodness, you can balance on your thighs. You want to stay away from knees How about 3 and 2 and 1? Nice job. Okay, last set, 2 exercises, lunges with a lateral raise. So make sure you have plenty of room. And we're going to take feet hip width, step back, make sure they're facing the same direction. All right, and a nice lunge down, lateral raise out. You can take it all the way up if you want. Or you can just take a straight leg back, hold it, and take that raise up. Nice. So switching feet, step it back, raise those arms up all the way, lateral, or as high as they go. Nice. Step forward and back, toes facing same direction. Give yourself a nice wide stance. Lateral raise up and down. Beautiful. Just give me about 15 more seconds here. Raise it up and back down. Nice. Remember our option to bend it down into that lunge. Beautiful. Give me 3 and 2 and 1. Last movement's going to be a side bend reach. So in a little bend in those knees, a reach up to the top. Nice, taking it down as far as you can, and then the other side. Reach up to the top. Nice. Belly button into spine. Remember, pretend there's a wall in front of you and behind you, or I like to kind of think of myself in a big TV box. Don't know why I like to think about that, but maybe I just got a new TV and I'm celebrating inside the big new box. Beautiful. Give me 3 and 2 and 1. We're going to hit our last set, lateral lunges and those side bend reaches again. So remember, it's option for that step back, or you can bend it down. Take it as high as you like. I don't think I said alternate it before, but I hope we do. If not, then you're going to switch it up and do the other side this time. I try to remember, but I am not the best at that. So that's why I always, fun fact, that's why I always tend to do alternating movements, because I cannot remember if we did the left or the right before. Beautiful. We are almost done with this one. Make sure you got that balance. And 3 and 2 and 1. It's that side bend reach, and then we're going to take it right into our stretches. Nice. If you're not feeling that big reach, you can go ahead and bring that arm up. I just get my necklace. Remind me of my necklaces, I know. I'm a little teapot. Little bend in those knees. Avoiding locking out. Looking good, looking good. Nice. And 3 and 2 and 1. Let's go ahead and just take a nice bend or extend heading into our stretches here. You gals did a great job. Everyone on the replay, whoever's joining me, hi, I bet you did a great job. All right, here we go. Nice. Deep breath in and out. We're going to go ahead and get a little balance. Stretch moving with some knee hugs in 3, in 2, and in 1. So grab yourself a chair or a wall, and you can grab a knee hug, grabbing underneath the thigh or on that shin. Remember, we always want to stay away from the knee joint. A little bend in that standing leg. Shoulders back and down. Looking good. Other side. Nice. Shoulders back and down. Deep breath in and out. Nice. Loving it. Loving it. Let's go ahead and hit some circles around. How about that? All right. So we're going to take it up. Nice and high. Bend in those knees. Come out to a flat back. Circle around. All the way up. Nice. And then all the way down as far as we can. Pushing those hips back. Take a nice breath as you come back. How about arms down in the back for a nice clasp? Shoulders down and back. Beautiful. We can take a little calf raise. Belly button into spine. Chest open. Speaking of which, it is time for the chest openers and hugs. I know, we're all done. Great job. See you tomorrow for Friday's workout, and then we'll head into that weekend. Nice. Let's bring it down. Nice chest openers. And we're going to close it up into a nice hug. One arm over the other. And pause. Settling those shoulders back and down. A little tiny neck movements, wiggles. And open it up one more time. Last chest opener. Close it up, my friends, with our hand over the top. Give yourself that pat on the back. Kudos to you. We are done. Get out there. Have a great day. Peace. And I'll see you tomorrow.